We're waiting on that meat to cook up. I'm just doing a little bit of final touch-ups on the old SS Adventure. Another couple weeks we're going to have this baby out there and we're going to be riding the river. Well, there you guys go. This is the moment we've been waiting for all afternoon. Smoked barbecue pizza. Listen, my wife made the dough by hand, and I cooked up chicken and brisket with some smoked cheddar and as well as Jack Daniel's barbecue sauce and mozzarella. So let's have a go. Wow. You can really taste the smoke infused with all the ingredients here. This is a special taste. If you're a fan of the outdoors and smoky goodness flavor when it comes to food and stuff, this is a must make. I've never done this before. And it came out absolutely perfect. Look at that. Ain't nothing burned here. Chicken and brisket. Oh. Wow. Wow. The deliciousness of that flavor almost takes your breath away. I got plenty. You want a slice? Cheers. Yeah. Whoo! That was a banger of a meal. Man, that was so good. Man, I wish every one of you guys out there could sit right there and I'd hand you your own little personal pie. Smoked barbecue pizza. Deliciousness. Hey, if you ain't never tried it, you don't know what you're missing out on. Right here on Cast Iron Wednesday. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you on the next one.